Hello everyone! In this video we're going to look at the new features and improvements available on Windows 11 build 22563. This preview comes with some new stuff, but they're not tied to a specific release of Windows 11. Microsoft may choose to include or discard any of these features at any time. Also, some of these features may even roll out before the next feature update. Okay, let's dive into the new features and changes available on Windows 11 build 22563. In this preview, Windows 11 is introducing a new taskbar design for tablets. The updated version of the taskbar will automatically transition from the tablet mode when disconnecting or folding back the keyboard on a compatible device. As you can see on the screenshot, this is the new collapse state that only shows some of the important icons such as the time, battery, sound, and wireless connection, giving you more space and preventing you from accidentally invoking the taskbar when holding a tablet. Then, if you swipe up, you will access the expanded state that allows you to use the regular version of the taskbar. But as you can see, the actual taskbar is a little bit higher and the icons are a little bit bigger. So it's more optimized for touch-enabled devices. This new version of the taskbar, it's only available for tablets and 2-in-1 compatible devices. So this is not available on regular desktop. And because I'm using a desktop actually, I don't have the feature to actually demo in this video. If this was a tablet, under the taskbar behavior section, you will find an option called automatically hide the taskbar when using the device as a tablet, setting that allows you to enable and disable this feature. Again, because I'm not using a tablet, I don't get that feature. On Windows 11 build 22563, the widgets dashboard has been updated to combine your widgets section, which is this one right here, with the news feed, which is the one at the bottom. And now it's only one single stream that offers a more dynamic experience. Also, this new change will allow you to consume content more easily, and you will continue to have the option to pin and unpin your favorite widgets. This was one of the features that I wanted to actually demo on this video instead of showing a screenshot. But at the time that I'm making the video, as you can see, I still have the previous version of the dashboard. Microsoft is also adding a new policy that network administrator can use to disable Windows Update notifications. The policy is called Displayed Options for Update Notifications, and when enabled, you can set how to disable all the Windows Update related notifications. Although anyone can use this policy, Microsoft is targeting it for the education section to help minimize distractions for students. On File Explorer, there is not a lot going on, but now when you're on the quick access page, you can use a search and it will not only show results available on the quick access section, but the search is expanding to content on OneDrive, downloads, and any index location. Furthermore, files that you pin to quick access that are not locally stored on your device will now show the thumbnail, and it will work with OneDrive sharing. As part of the Snap Assist improvements, when snapping applications side by side, you will now see 3 more recent tabs for Microsoft Edge as options that you can use to snap next to the application. Before, you were just able to snap Microsoft Edge, but now you have the option to snap a particular tab. So in this example, I'm just going to snap this Windows 10 search that I had before, but as you can see, I have different tabs. So let me minimize this again, and let's just break the snap and do it again. And now you can see that I can snap a different tab. You can always control the feature and the number of tabs that appear when snapping or using the Alt Plus tab experience on Settings, System, and then on the multitasking page. And this is the option that allows you to control the feature. On build 22563, Windows 11 is also updating the emoji system to version 14 that includes around 37 more emojis than before. And some of the new emojis that you can find is the melting face, which is this one right here. Also beans and many more. Also, you can now choose the skin tone for the two hands and the handshake emoji. And that's it. Those were pretty much all the new features and changes available on Windows 11 build 20563. This build also includes many changes and fixes, so I will be leaving a link in the video description so you can learn more about them. Also, before wrapping up this video, I just want to show you a couple more features, actually a couple more changes that have been available since build 20557, and I just didn't have the chance to show it to you in the last video. The first one, it's on the About page on the Settings app, and that is the new section that shows you the ways that you can trade in or recycle your PC. So basically, the section includes two links to find programs to trade in, sell, or donate your PC. And when you click this option, for example, that will open your default web browser and it will show you information on how to trade in your computer or sell it and so on. And there is also a program to recycle your PC. And the other thing that I want to show you, it's on accounts. And as you can see right now, the family and other users page is now divided in two different pages. And now we have a family page and others users page. On the family page, you can add accounts that are connected to your family online, actually in your Microsoft account. Now, if you want to create a traditional local account, now you need to go to other users, and from here you can add the account as always. So there are no new features or anything like that. It's now that the page has been divided into two different pages. And that's it. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.